I've watched people lose income streams they spent years building. Not because they failed, not because they stopped working hard, but because a software update made them invisible overnight. It was like Friday you're here, Monday you're gone. Ridiculous. Nobody's going to send you a memo that says, we replaced you with a system. They just quietly stop needing you. The job posts dry up. The callbacks you might have gotten stop coming. And if you're not paying attention, you spend months thinking it's you, because that's what I did. So I'm just going to think that you are going to do something similar. Think it's your fault. No, it's not your fault. It's not you. It's a spreadsheet decision. When that spreadsheet comes back and it says, well, we can do that using this more efficiently. Plus, we don't have to pay for medical. We don't have to give him a lunch. We don't have to give her time off. We don't have to give him this, that, or the other. It's a spreadsheet decision. And that is exactly why. That is exactly why you need an asset, your own asset, your own business. Here's what I learned the hard way. Waiting for the job market to go back to what it was isn't a plan. Now, there was a time when you could do that. You could wait and then get a similar job. But these days, we're in a transition, folks. This is probably a decade-long transition. And it's a good bet that, no, don't bet on yourself like that, because right now it's a gamble. And right now it's a losing one. What you need to do is start believing in yourself, build off of what you already know. Because the people getting through this aren't the ones with the best resume. I didn't have the best resume. They're the ones who stopped waiting to be picked and built something that pays them directly. That's what I did. A skill, a service, a product. It's all about you. What do you have available? What is it that you want to put in the hands of the market? You have the experience. You have the knowledge. Stop playing games. Everyone has $100,000 product somewhere within them, somewhere within their life experiences. Something no spreadsheet can quietly cut. You don't need permission to start that. I didn't ask permission to get that FU money. You only need one clear thing you can offer someone today. Now, what could you offer someone today? Now, if you don't have that thing, you can figure it out and maybe tomorrow come back and put that together, because that's exactly where I'd start, with that one thing. Follow for more. Peace out.